Making rainbow roti tacos, a dish that's as fun to look at as it is to eat. These tacos are a true celebration of color, with each roti dyed naturally using fresh, wholesome ingredients. Picture this, soft, pillowy rotis transformed into playful taco shells, each one a different shade of the rainbow, and all filled with a medley of delicious, nutritious fillings. It's a feast for the senses. And the best part? There are no artificial colors here. Just the natural vibrancy of veggies like beetroot, spinach, and carrots. These vegetables not only add beautiful hues but also pack in extra nutrition and flavor. It's a clever way to sneak more veggies into your meals, making it perfect for picky eaters, kids, and adults alike. Everyone will love the playful colors and the fresh, wholesome taste. Whether you're hosting a lively party or sitting down for a cozy family dinner, these rainbow roti tacos are sure to be the star of the table. They bring a sense of joy and celebration to any occasion. What makes these tacos truly special is the fusion of Indian and Mexican flavors. We're blending aromatic Indian spices with classic Mexican ingredients, creating a unique global treat that's both familiar and exciting. So, let's roll up our sleeves, gather our colorful ingredients, and dive into this vibrant kitchen adventure together. Get ready to create a meal that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Welcome to a world where cooking meets creativity. It's time to make our colorful doughs. Today, we're not just baking, we're painting with nature's palette, transforming simple ingredients into vibrant masterpieces right in our own kitchen. Our kitchen is now an artist's studio filled with the bright hues of fresh vegetables and the promise of something magical. Each ingredient brings its own unique color and story to the table. Start with whole wheat flour as your base. It's wholesome, hearty, and perfect for soaking up all those beautiful colors. For a lovely pink dough, knead in beetroot juice. The natural pigments in beetroot create a stunning rosy hue that's both eye-catching and nutritious. For green, use spinach puree. It gives a fresh, earthy color and a boost of vitamins. For a cheerful orange, add carrot juice, which brings a gentle sweetness and a sunny glow to your dough. And for a magical purple, use water from boiled purple cabbage. Watch as the flour transforms into a vibrant shade, making your dough look almost too pretty to eat. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt and a little oil to each dough. Knead patiently until the dough is smooth and elastic. This step is key for soft, pliable results. Let each dough rest for 15 minutes under a damp cloth. This helps the gluten relax, making the dough easier to roll and shape later on. The process is simple and fun. Just grate, squeeze, or blend your veggies to extract their vibrant juices. Kids will love helping with this part. Then pour the fresh juice into your flour and mix until the color is evenly distributed. Each batch becomes a little work of art. Making these doughs is a sensory delight, soft to the touch, fragrant with the aroma of fresh vegetables, and bursting with color. It's a feast for the senses before the meal even begins. Now let's roll out and shape our edible art. With every press and fold, you're creating something beautiful and delicious, ready to brighten up any meal. Our doughs are ready, each one a vibrant burst of color, promising a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. The next step is where the magic truly begins, shaping these doughs into beautiful, crisp taco shells that will be the highlight of your table. Let's turn them into taco shells. This is where you can get creative, experimenting with different shapes and sizes if you like, but we'll start with the classic taco form. Take a small ball of dough, about the size of a golf ball, and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Aim for thin circles, roughly 4 to 5 inches wide. The thinner you roll, the crispier your shells will be, but make sure they're not so thin that they tear. Next, heat a tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Place each circle of dough onto the hot surface and cook lightly for about 30 seconds on each side. You want them to be soft and pliable, not fully cooked or browned. This step is just to set the shape and make them easier to handle. While the rotis are still warm and flexible, gently fold each one in half. Drape them over a rolling pin or nestle them into the grooves of a muffin tin. This helps them hold that perfect taco shape as they finish baking. Arrange your shaped rotis on a baking tray, making sure they don't touch. Brush each one lightly with oil. This will help them crisp up beautifully in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they're golden and crisp to the touch. Keep a close eye on them as they bake, since they can go from perfectly crisp to overdone in just a minute or two. Every oven is different, so check often. Once they're done, transfer the taco shells to a wire rack to cool. As they cool, they'll firm up and hold their shape perfectly, ready to be filled with your favorite ingredients. And there you have it. Your colorful, crispy taco shells are ready to serve. They're not just delicious, but a true work of art, sure to impress anyone at your table. Now let's make a mouth-watering paneer tikka filling together. Mix thick curd, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili, garam masala, besan, lemon juice, and salt for the marinade. Add paneer cubes and chopped veggies like onions and capsicum. Coat well. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Sauté the mixture in a hot pan with a little oil until golden and slightly charred. For a smoky touch, use the Dungar method with hot charcoal and ghee. The result, spicy, smoky, and irresistible paneer tikka. This filling is truly the heart of our tacos. Time to assemble our rainbow roti tacos. For the sauce, mix mayonnaise with coriander mint chutney for a creamy, tangy kick. Take a crispy taco shell, add shredded lettuce or cabbage at the base. Fill generously with warm paneer tikka. Drizzle with chutney mayo, top with chopped onions, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Garnish with fresh coriander. Each taco is a burst of color, flavor, and texture. Serve and enjoy your edible masterpiece, perfect for